What is systems thinking? Systems thinking, simply put, is a perspective. It is not a recipe, it's not a science, and it's not a knowledge base. It's a holistic approach to thinking that provides an understanding of things as systems or parts of systems. Systems thinkers consider systems as a complex whole or as a unit with interacting parts. What are systems? Why are they significant? Systems comprise interrelated elements whose relationships are both functional and structural in nature. They are integral parts of business and commerce, law, engineering, science, design, etc. Essentially, systems can be identified in nature as well as in everyday life. An example of a system is the human body. The human body is a primary biological system that includes several secondary systems within it: the circulatory system, the nervous system, the respiratory system, the excretory system, the skeletal system, the muscular system, and the immune system. Learning to see and understand the inherent structures and connections of systems can be categorized under the umbrella of systems thinking. Systems thinking is not only an exploration of the interaction between the parts of an identified system, but also an exploration into how a system functions within its inherent environment and in the context of other systems. A representation of these principles can be seen in a primary system and the various types of meta and subsystems within it. These meta and subsystems are comprised of their own set of elements, boundaries, and established relationships. Furthermore, systems thinking is an understanding of the parts within a system, an understanding of a system as a unique functional unit, and an understanding of a system in a holistic context. These individual parts range in accordance with their level of complexity. If we were to treat systems and their parts as isolated artifacts, we run the risk of not fully solving the existing problem, as well as creating the potential to form new problems. In the case of this water management system, its developers began by observing systems that would allow water to be used as efficiently as possible during a rainstorm. Any runoff water from the storm would enter an underground storage system to be used for various irrigation facilities or would undergo natural filtration methods before restoration into its natural environment. It would be difficult to develop an effective water filtering system without an understanding of the pollutant particles and how the water flowed through the previous systems. The most effective solutions, therefore, often result from possessing a complete understanding of the problem at hand, as well as any extenuating circumstances or influences that may pertain to the issue. Because systems are found everywhere, systems thinking can be applied ubiquitously. This universality is also a pertinent aspect in the field of design, which seeks to better the world we live in today through creative problem solving or other available opportunities. By taking a holistic approach to design, one is able to not only deduce and understand current frameworks or opportunities in the world for improvement, but will be able to make better informed decisions about their work. Designers in the United Kingdom are currently undertaking a systemic approach to progressive design in an effort to resolve the issue of personal theft. The approach is inspired by the inaugural Mobile Phone Security Challenge. The Amigo is a device used to back up personal information from your cell phone to a Bluetooth storage device. When assessing the design of this device, it is important to note the relationship between the phone and storage device and their impact on the overall performance of the Amigo in the context of a larger communication system. The effectiveness of this design lies in the interaction between the systemic components and in consequent ease of use. Both phone and storage device will automatically lock and transmit an alarm if separated.